Sungai Pandan Waterfall is one of the widest waterfalls in Malaysia, and seeing that huge curtain of water in front of you is honestly breathtaking. It's about a 45-minute drive from Kuantan. The entry fee for foreigners is 10 ringgit per person. Once you're inside, the space really opens up. The water's cold and clear, perfect for cooling off. There were families everywhere, swimming, eating, relaxing, and the vibe was just peaceful and happy. We didn't expect much, but this turned out to be one of our favorite spots on the trip. It's beautiful, calming, and feels very natural. If you're in Kuantan, make time for it.